My art cannot be labeled into one art form. The way I represent myself as a woman cannot be labeled as typically what we expect from a woman to look like. The borders between the feminine and the masculine, or between muscle and soul, or between nature and technology. This all opens up this space where things don't have to be defined. And that's what Dolly is all about. From the start, somehow they associated me with queer arts and feminism and diversity. There lies power and potential. Being a philosopher, being a dancer, being passionate about music, making visual art, why shouldn't I bring it together into a futuristic form? And that's how somehow Dolly grew in my mind as a solution to bring as one iconic figure and as one narrative all these elements together.